Have you ever wondered how those online stores manage to ship products without ever touching them? It's like magic, right? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most popular methods used by online retailers, dropshipping. And to demonstrate this, we'll be using Modalyst, a powerful platform that connects sellers with suppliers worldwide. So, if you're an online entrepreneur looking to expand your product offerings without the hassle of inventory management, this video is for you. Main content. 1. Understanding your Modalyst dashboard. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the Modalyst dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface designed to streamline your dropshipping operations. Key areas to focus on include product library. This is where you'll find a vast collection of products from various suppliers. You can search by category, brand, or keyword to find the perfect items for your store. Orders. This section will display all the orders placed on your store. You'll see order details, shipping status, and payment information. Settings. This is where you can customize your Modalyst experience, including managing shipping profiles, payment settings, and store information. 2. Receiving and processing orders. Now let's dive into the core of dropshipping, fulfilling orders. When a customer places an order on your store, you'll receive a notification on your Modalyst dashboard. Here's what you need to do. Review and confirm order. Check the order details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. If there are any issues, communicate with the customer promptly. Once you've verified the order, confirm it on Modalyst. Place supplier order. Modalyst will automatically forward the order to the supplier. However, you may need to review and confirm the order with the supplier directly, especially for custom or high-value items. Track order status. Keep an eye on the order status in your Modalyst dashboard. Once the supplier ships the product, you'll receive tracking information. Update customer. Inform the customer about the shipping status and provide them with the tracking number. This helps build trust and keeps them updated on their order. 3. Handling returns and refunds. Even the best dropshipping operations can encounter returns and refunds. Here's how to handle these situations gracefully. Review return request. When a customer requests a return, carefully review the reason and the condition of the product. Authorize return. If the return is justified, authorize it and provide the customer with return instructions. Process refund. Once the product is returned and inspected, process the refund according to your store's policy. Communicate with customer. Keep the customer informed throughout the return process. This helps maintain a positive relationship and avoids misunderstandings. 4. Tips for successful dropshipping on Modalyst. To maximize your success on Modalyst, consider these tips. Build a niche. Focusing on a specific niche can help you attract a targeted audience and differentiate your store. Curate your product selection. Choose products that align with your brand and resonate with your target market. Optimize product listings. Use high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve product visibility. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and address their concerns professionally. Stay updated on trends. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your product offerings accordingly. And there you have it. Fulfilling orders on Modalyst doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps and incorporating the tips we've discussed, you can streamline your dropshipping operations and grow your online business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.